Whether you're going on a road trip or a sporty adventure with your canine, it is always important to make water and food easily accessible to him. And nothing can outclass a water bowl that is easy to carry around while keeping your pet well fed and hydrated throughout the trip. Most portable dog water bowls are foldable for easier carrying and feature a non-toxic construction to offer healthy feeding to your pet. That said, you will likely find a variety of bowls in the market, which can make settling on the perfect one tricky. For this reason, we've curated a list of some of our favorite portable dog water bowls of 2023 to make your pet's journey as comfortable as possible. Let's check them out. Number 1. Leash Boss Portable Dog Water Bowl. This premium quality portable bowl from Leash Boss allows you to keep it filled while traveling without worrying about any spillage. Suitable for cars, trucks, and vans, this option features high sides and a tapered lip to prevent the water from sloshing or splashing, even when you take sharp turns while driving. Since it is manufactured with silicone, it is quite lightweight and easy to carry around, offering maximum convenience and comfort. Further, the sturdy construction, anti-slip base, and mess-free design ensure that it stays still all the time. Though this bowl has a maximum capacity of 40 ounces, you're recommended to fill it with up to 24 ounces of water or 3 cups of food. It is also dishwasher safe, saving up a lot of time if you are on a tight schedule. Due to its impeccable features and an easy-to-clean, spill-resistant design, this portable dog water bowl is the overall best on our list. Number 2. Sulson Portable Dog Water Bowl. Coming in a pack of 2, these portable dog water bowls are perfect for traveling, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Each product features a collapsible design so that you can fold it when you need to make room for storing other essentials in your bag. The attached carabiner allows you to hook the bowl to your backpack, dog leash, or belt loop, making it even more travel-friendly. The collapsible pet bowls are great pet travel bowls, lightweight and easy to carry with climbing buckle. It can attach to belt loop, backpack, leash or other locations. Suitable for outdoor activities. They also can be used as indoor dog, cat food bowl. Manufactured using high-quality silicone, these non-toxic portable dog water bowls ensure the health and safety of your dog. And, since it is odorless, your pet won't throw tantrums while eating in this bowl. On top of everything, it is suitable for different-sized pets, making these bowls a steal for the price. Number 3. Malsi Portable Dog Water Bowl. This beautiful yet functional water bottle can satisfy the thirst of your pet without putting their health at risk. It is constructed of food-grade materials that take its durability and safety to another level. Even more, it features a silica gel ring, making it leak-proof and safe to put in your backpack. You will also find an attached strap that makes carrying the bottle in your hand while walking much more comfortable. The portable dog water bottle made of high-quality food-grade material, makes sure your pet completely safe when they use our dog water dispenser bottle. Designed for single-hand operation, this product comes with a silicone bowl that you can fill with water just by pressing a button. Meanwhile, the no-waste water design helps you push the remaining water back into the container effortlessly. Best of all, since it comes in 2 sizes, you can pick one that matches your dog's needs. Number 4. Rest Easy Portable Dog Water Bowl. If you are going to spend overnights traveling, you'll want to put more effort into looking after your pet's well-being. These foldable dog bowls from Rest Easy are crafted from food-grade silicone, ensuring that your canine stays safe and hydrated throughout your journey. They also come with a special expandable feature that allows you to choose from 3 sizes based on your pet's side. Each bowl comes attached with a durable metal buckle so you can hang them on your bag or belt loop for comfortable carrying. Thanks to the anti-slip surface, these bowls won't move when your pet is drinking or eating. Meanwhile, the sturdy construction ensures they won't break or collapse when filled with food and water. Since these portable dog water bowls are dishwasher safe, BPA-free, and non-toxic, they're easily worth every single penny. Number 5. Age Cash Portable Dog Water Bowl. Containing 2 silicone water bowls at a reasonable price, this pack offers great value for money. You can easily collapse the foldable bowl in 3 modes, making it ideal for pets of various sizes. It also doesn't consume a lot of space when folded, so you'll have an easy time carrying it in your pocket or bag. This silicone dog bowl design makes cleanup easy, plus it's dishwasher safe so you can just toss it in for next time. When you have a trusty travel bowl on your adventures, your sidekick can stay hydrated and never has to miss a meal. What's more, the pack includes a waste bag dispenser along with a roll of dog poop bags, offering you a stress-free traveling or hiking experience. Cleaning the bowls is also a breeze because they are dishwasher safe. On top of all of this, these portable dog water bowls come with a lifetime 100% money-back guarantee to ensure your satisfaction.